a piece of the pie? A little competition at their age? I don't think that's a bad thing. But they just look so cute in those little uniforms, don't they? Just so adorable. Excuse me. Oh, Tammy, look who's here, everybody. Tammy's here. No running in the house. Sorry we're late.
Don't try a new recipe when you're in a hurry.
No, it's okay. So happy to see a familiar face. You must be Rob.
Has it been that long? Hey, where's Ben?
He's in the kitchen with those people that are in the kitchen. So what do you think? That looks great.
I mean, that guy owns the company. He's paying me to come up with an ad campaign to sell more hot tubs. Thing is, not only does he want to be his own spokesman,
You were at advertising.
that's what I keep telling myself. 9 years I've been doing this.
9 years. Wow.
So, anyway, I called the guy and said, listen, I mean, this job is the whole reason I moved here. It's got to be top limits. We need.
Before you can change anything back.